welcome to another episode from Cooking with Mahagathara. As you can see, the Mahagathara Wellness Retreat's head gardener is hard at work taking care of the plants here. And he is currently tending to a very important ingredient that's going to be incorporated into our recipe today. Our chef is being welcomed by a fresh batch of, yes, you guessed right, aloe vera. Aloe vera is a source of vitamins A, C and E, folic acid and choline. You can also find minerals such as calcium, zinc, sodium, iron and potassium among other things. So today we're going to show you how to make a very refreshing and nutritious drink, an aloe vera and orange juice. So first, start by peeling or cutting off the orange peel like this. And then chopping them into bite-sized chunks. Here we're going to use 2 oranges. Later, place the orange chunks into the blender. As most of you would already know, oranges are rich in vitamin C. They also contain dietary fibers, vitamin B1, pantothenic acid, folate, calcium, and potassium. They also contain less calories and no fat, cholesterol, or sodium. It is ideal to be consumed as a snack at any time during the day. Next, take the dagger-shaped leaf of the aloe vera and begin by chopping off a thicker end. Then extract the inner leaf's juicy bits as demonstrated here. For this recipe, about 5 1-inch long chunks would suffice. Then transfer them to the blender as well. Add about 1/3 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 cup of water and then begin by blending. Serve the juice with a few ice cubes and decorate with a slice of orange. And there we have it, aloe vera and orange juice. Thank you for watching Cooking with Mahagathara, and we hope to see you again very soon.